Want to remove a contact from your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete a contact on iPhone. Now let's get started. To delete a contact on iPhone, first open the Contacts app. Find the contact you would like to remove and tap their name to open their contact entry. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Contact. To confirm, tap Delete Contact. If you have more contacts you would like to remove, repeat these steps to delete each contact you want to remove. That's all it takes to remove contacts on iPhone. Previously blocked a contact and not sure how to unblock them? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.